take you where you wanna go.
My favorite BENEV product would have to be their exosomes, but also combined with sulfur.
My favorite BENEV product is the exosomes, and it works amazing.
Came out with something unique, which is the Miracle, is this mesh fill. And it's shocking how versatile that is. It's amazing. And I put the exosomes, you'll get a better result, lower downtime, you get more of a wow, like at the 1 month mark. And then throw the exosomes on, it makes a significant difference.
So I love the exosome balm. I feel like I need more hydration. I know it's good for post-treatment, but I'm loving it daily, morning and night.
We never have in practice anything like that. And something that helps you before treatment and after treatment, that is amazing. So we have great results with exosome and we'll continue using it.